Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Who's that?
Fine,
Have
ma'am.
you?
What's shouting?
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are
Ma'am,
you? Are you okay?
Good ma'am.
I am okay.
But some are not joining with your video.
I'm
Some,
stuck.
yeah, some videos are blank. I cannot see your face.
good evening, ma'am.
I have a
Good evening. Good evening. So let us start the class. And
Yes.
everybody has joined the class.
no. 20.
Okay.
21 only, ma'am.
So today we are going to discuss the workbook answers. Today we are going to discuss the workbook answers. Are you ready?
I am ready. I am
I've
not
told
ready.
you not to keep your workbook with you. Take page
I
number
keep
28.
I
Take
keep
page number
workbook in
28.
the book.
Page number
Workbook in the
28.
book.
I took it.
Okay, ma'am is going to mute everyone. Here I can hear a lot of disturbance in the class. Ma'am is going to mute.
Even you.
No. Now it's clear. So let us start. I think we can start today. We can start discussing match the following. Match the following number 8. Heat from the sun. Heat from the sun. The other side, water changes into ice and snow, ponds, lakes and rivers, form clouds, changes water to its vapor form. Okay. Which one is the correct answer? Ivana? Okay, unmute Ivana and say the answer. Heat from the sun.
Changes water
Okay.
to water.
Vapor form. Thank you, Ivana. Okay, children, you have to draw a line. Everybody draw a line to D, option D. The first one, option D, changes water to its vapor form. Option D. Okay. Can we move to the next question? I hope you have completed that drawing the line. Give me a thumbs up if it is completed. Number 9, small water droplets. Small water droplets. What is the correct answer? Which one is most matching for small water droplets? Yeah, ma'am is going to ask the question to Anknal Sachin. Sachin, you can unmute. Sachin? Yes, Sachin, you can unmute. Please.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Sachin, what is the answer? Small water droplets. Small water droplets.
From clouds. From clouds.
Form clouds. Very good. Thank you. Small water droplets form clouds. So, what is the page number, Sachin? The page number is
28.
Very good. Thank you. Page number 28, because somebody is asking in the chat box which page number. Children, that is page number 28. So we are doing small water droplets form clouds. Small water droplets form clouds. Can we move to the 10th one? 10th one, number 10.
Yes.
In very cold places. Okay, Sarah, you can see. Unmute.
Ma'am, a textbook or workbook?
Can take the book now? Okay, I'll ask. You can mute. I'll ask somebody else.
Workbook or textbook?
Yeah, workbook, baby. Workbook, page number 28. No need of textbook. We are doing workbook exercises now.
Okay, ma'am.
So I can ask Devananda, please unmute. In very cold places, water changes into Deva, can you hear me, Deva?
No.
Very, very cold places. Water change into? Tell me, Deva. The voice is not audible. You can mute. Your voice is not at all audible. I cannot hear anything.
Page number.
Okay, Ashwati, unmute. In very cold places, water changes into? Say the answer.
Ice and snow.
Thank you, children. Draw a line to match. In very, yeah, Adit, I'll call you. Wait.
Ma'am,
In very cold places, Sarah, you got one chance. Let me call the others. After that, I'll come to you. In very cold places, water changes into ice and snow. Number 11. Examples of water bodies are. Examples of water bodies are. Examples of water bodies are. Adit Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Adit Krishna, examples of water bodies?
Ponds,
Ponds,
lakes,
lakes,
and rivers.
and rivers. Thank you. Now, we are moving to short answer questions. Short answer questions. Number 12. You can keep your finger there. Here, ma'am is going to read the question and I will write the answer on the board. You can read out. No need to copy down. The notes I will send through WhatsApp after the class. Where does rainwater get collected? Where does rainwater get collected?
Ma'am, page number.
Rainwater collected. Sarah, what happened? All the children are doing. Page number 28. Till now you didn't start. Page number 28. We are discussing short answer questions now.
Okay, ma'am.
Where does rainwater get collected? Where does rainwater get collected? Adit, can you give me the answer? Rainwater get collected in? Heat from the sun changes water in the water bodies into water vapor. This water vapor rises up in the sky. Once it has got a contact with the cool air, the water vapor cools down and form tiny drops of water. These tiny drops join together and form clouds. When these drops of water become too heavy and bigger, they fall as rain. Then where does it collected? It flows again back to the rainwater flows back to the, who can say the answer? Who knows the answer? The rainwater get collected in?
Player.
The rainwater get collected in Pius? Can you say the answer? You can mute. Mute Pius.
Clouds.
The rainwater. Who knows the answer? Vaiga, the rainwater get collected in? Water bodies. Come on, say everybody. Open water bodies. And some of the water that goes into the soil and stored underground. Here, ma'am is going to share the screen. Wait.
And somebody is chatting.
Who's chatting? Please stop chatting, children. Wait.
Malavika. Pius, Malavika. Like that. So many. Ma'am, first question.
Shruti, what are you doing there? Children, listen. Ma'am is going to write that answer. You no need to copy down now. Please look at the board and read. Okay. Where does rainwater get collected? Rainwater gets collected in open water bodies. Collected in open water bodies. Open water bodies. No need to copy down now. Open water bodies. This is the first point. And some of the water that goes into the soil, goes, only points ma'am is writing, okay, goes into the soil. Some of the water that goes into the soil. Then what happened? Stored, and it is stored underground. Stored underground. This is the answer. Okay, now Adit, you can read the answer. Say.
Okay, ma'am.
Where does rainwater get collected? Say the answer.
Open water bodies.
Get collected. Rainwater, take it from the first portion, take it from the question and read. Rainwater gets collected
Rainwater gets collected
in open water bodies.
in open water bodies.
Some of the water, everybody can repeat after me. Some of the water
Some of the water
goes into the soil
Goes into
goes into the soil,
is stored
is stored
underground.
underground.
Now all of you understood this answer?
Yes.
Ma'am is going to rub the board. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is going to stop share the screen. Can we read the next question?
Yes.
Yes, what are you writing? I told you no need to write anything. Only thing you can look at the board when ma'am is writing the answer. And you can read the answer. Okay. Where does rain come from? Who will say the answer? Where does rain come from? Rain come from the? Rain come from the?
Rain clouds.
Clouds.
Rain clouds.
Rain comes from the rain clouds. When the drops of water in the clouds become too heavy, they fall as rain. They fall as rain. Where does the rain come from? The rain come from clouds. All are in sleepy mood. You are not listening, my class. You don't like me.
Yes.
We like you, but we feel sleepy. Because today we have Malayalam test at the night. We need to sit straight.
My children, be smart. I want my kids be more energetic and more smart in my class. Do you mean?
Yes.
Because I need you. I love you. I like you. You are my sweet little ones, my butterflies.
I love you.
I don't have Karagu.
Adit.
Ma'am, how can I be your little?
Why don't you speak in English? Huh?
I don't have Sharon.
Ma'am.
No. Okay. Hello. Do one thing. Everybody, we can clap for ma'am. I will count 1 to 10. Can we clap together?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9, 10. Yes.
13.
Can we jump? 10 times we can jump.
Let me see.
Yes, come on, get up. Come on. 1, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so cute. My bubblies. Love you. Okay. What? Okay, stop. Now come back to the lesson. Yes.
Magic.
What is that?
Magic.
Okay. Now everybody sit down. Sit down. Then look at the workbook, children. Look at the workbook. We are going to discuss the next question. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Where does the rain come from? Rain come from the clouds. Once when the drops of water and the clouds become too heavy, they fall as rain. Rain. Hello. After that, I'll keep it class test by next week. Okay. Not now. Today I'll send the notes. You can complete the notes and you can study the notes. And by next week, you can expect a class test.
Not next
Okay.
week, today. Man, not next week.
Sarah, you come to my home, Sarah. Then I'll take a test for you. That is better. Hello, Ashwini, what is in your mouth? Fevicol.
No, it's a bottle like Fevicol, but inside there is water.
Okay, anyway, it's poisonous, okay? When you handle this, don't keep it in your mouth, okay? It's very dangerous. Okay, let us move back to the 14th question. Draw a diagram of the cyclic flow of water. That means we are supposed to draw the water cycle. Anyway, I'll send the picture to WhatsApp. You can copy down. Not now, you can draw it later. Multiple choice questions number 15. Which of the following sentences is correct? I'll read out the sentence for you. Rain clouds are white in color. Rain clouds are green in color. Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. All types of clouds come down as rain. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Sarah, keep quiet. Ashwini, keep quiet. There are many other children. I should call everyone. Come on, Agnan. Unmute. Ashwini, sit straight. Agnel, say the answer. Which of the following sentences is correct? Which of the following? Agnel, Sunil? Can you help me to get the answer? Agnel? Options. Rain clouds are white in color. Do you think the rain clouds are white in color? Or dark color? No. The sentence is wrong. Rain clouds are green in color? No. Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. Exactly, that is true. Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. So, what is the answer? Option C. Option C. Now, Christina, unmute. Christina, you can unmute. The next question. You listen to Christian ma'am is reading. Number 16. On a sunny day. Sunny day means a very hot day. Which of the following conditions will water change to vapor easily? Christina, and listen, everybody, your ma'am is going to keep one vessel of water, one full container of water kept indoor. Indoor means inside our house. The water that kept indoor in an open vessel. The water that kept outdoor, that means outside our house, in a closed vessel. And just to think about it, it's a sunny day. Okay. In which situation the water will change into water vapor? So easily. Check it. And there is a container of water that kept indoor in a closed vessel. That means inside our house in a closed vessel. The last option, kept outdoor. Outdoor means outside our home. In an open vessel. In which condition the water will change into water vapor easily?
Cheap.
Christina?
Option D.
Option D. Excellent. Great. Fantastic. Kept. Will you say that answer? Please.
Powder.
Yeah. Kept outdoor. Christina, will you please read that answer? Kept outdoor. Yeah.
Kept outdoor
Hmm.
and open vessel.
Kept outdoor in an open vessel. Thank you. Thank you very much. So we are moving to the 17th question. 17, question number 17. Here is the question. A bit confusing. The question is like this. What will happen if the water vapor that goes up never gets cooled down? Have you got the question? See, usually the water vapor is always going up. Okay, it moves upwards. Water vapor always moves upwards. And we know that the water vapor, once it cool, it will become tiny drops of water. And we will get rain clouds. And here is the situation. If what will happen? Okay, if it will happen, okay. If water vapor that goes up never wanted to be cooled down. One day, this water vapor, the naughty water vapor will think, I'm not going to be cool. I don't want to be cooled down. I'll be stay like this only. I don't want to get cool. I don't want to be like tiny drops of water. No, I'm not ready. He fight with us, this water vapor. Then what will happen? If water vapor decide, I'm not ready to cool. What will happen, children? Do we get rain clouds?
No.
If the water vapor is not ready to cool, do we get tiny drops of water? No. Do we form that clouds in the sky, rain clouds in the sky? No. Without the rain clouds, do we get rain?
No.
No. If we are not getting enough rain, what will happen? Do we get water in open that water bodies like river, lake, pond? No. All our water bodies will dry up. All our water bodies will dry up. We do not get water. If water vapor will... Somebody is chatting in the chat box. Hello. Please listen. This is not the time for chatting. Please stop it and listen to ma'am. That means you don't like me.
I like you.
I like you.
Some children are doing like this. They are insulting me.
They are bad boys and girls.
No. My 3D children are excellent. I don't believe. And I got all my excellent ones in 3D. They will stop chatting. You know. Now ma'am is going to close once again. Then they will not repeat. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the point. Okay. What will happen if the water vapor that goes up never gets cooled down? What will happen, children, if water vapor not ready to cool down? Rain clouds? Come on, give me the answer.
Rain clouds.
Rain clouds will not be formed then what will happen?
Very sunny day. Sunny day.
We do not get rain. Do we get rain? If there is no rain clouds, do we get rain?
No.
No. Rain clouds will not be formed. No rain. Then all the water bodies will dry up. Got it, children? So, here ma'am is going to read the answer. If water vapor does not cool down, rain clouds will not be formed. Without the rain clouds, we will not get rain. All the water bodies will get dried up. Okay. Now I hope all of you understood this question answer.
Yes.
We move to the next question.
Yes.
Yes.
Before that, I want your cute smile. Once again. I like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
I like you. Dara, Dara, listen. Bhumi, listen. Bhumi is sitting so seriously and looking me. Bhumi? She's looking so seriously, right? Okay. Be cool, my little ones. Okay. Rain clouds appear. Here is the question for you. Rain clouds appear closer to us when we compare to other clouds that we have already discussed. What can be the reason for this? Why these rain clouds appear so closer to us? Why? Because rain clouds are filled with... No, my Dara will say the answer. Dara unmute. Dara unmute. Dara, rain clouds are filled with... Dara unmute. Dara, you can unmute. Can you hear me? She's not able to unmute. Okay, Bhumi unmute. Bhumi, you can unmute. Okay, Bhumi, tell me. Rain clouds are filled with
God.
water droplets. Okay, Aishwarya, unmute. Aishwarya, unmute. Rain clouds are filled with water droplets. Agnivesh, you are sitting in a dark room. I cannot see your face clearly. Put your light on. See, Agnivesh, you are sitting in a very, very dark place. Can't see your face, baby. Put your light on. And Amit also. Sachin's room also very dark. Okay. Now, Agnivesh, come on, tell me. Rain clouds appear so close to us. So, Dara, you cannot, you are, okay. Cannot unmute, okay, no problem. Rain clouds appear so close to us when we compare to other clouds. What can be the reason? Rain clouds are filled with water droplets. Rain clouds are filled with water droplets. They become heavy and bigger. Am I right? Rain clouds fully filled with water droplets and they become so heavy and bigger and cannot float very high like other clouds. So they appear close to us. Have you got it?
Yes.
Can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Oh, here is the 19th question. You have, look at the book, look at the workbook, children. You can see two images. Take the image in which the clothes will dry easily and write the reason in the space. Okay, in which season the clothes will dry so easily? Summer. Very, very hot season. Why? What is the reason? Because heat of the sun. Come on, tell me everybody. Heat of the sun. Quickly changes. Quickly changes. Water in the clouds.
Water in the clouds.
Into water vapor. Okay, the heat of the sun quickly changes water in the clouds into water vapor in the summer season. That's why the clouds will dry so fast. Okay, during the summer, the sunny, hot, sunny days. And what happened in monsoon, children? Now we are experiencing the monsoon, right? Our rainy days, rainy season. We are enjoying the rain now. Am I right? Okay, in monsoon, but the clouds will not dry so easily. Why? Because there is not much sunlight. There is not much sunlight. Now, here is the last question for you. Look at the picture. Once again, you have picture. There is some water in an open container. Can you see that picture, children?
Yes.
Everybody look at the first picture. Some water we can see in an open container. What will the water level be after a day? After one day, what will happen to the level of the water?
A.
It will reduce. Then, which one is the correct picture? B. Exactly. Yeah. Put a tick mark to B. What is the reason, Some water goes out of after one day in an open container because of the heat of the sunlight. Some water goes out of the container as water vapor. So the water level will reduce. Okay, now I hope all of you understood this lesson well. Today our lesson is over and the next day you can expect a test, a class test, and I'll send the notes to the WhatsApp. So today's time is over. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Love you all.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.